In today's video, we'll be exploring road signs every driver in the USA must know. Let's get started. Stop sign. Yield sign. Do not enter. Wrong way. One way. No U-turn. No left turn. No right turn. Keep right. Keep left. No parking. Handicapped parking only. Reserved parking. Pedestrian crossing. School bus stop ahead. School crossing. Railroad crossing. Railroad crossing ahead. Signal ahead. Stop ahead. Yield ahead. Roundabout ahead. Slippery when wet. Merge right. Merge left. Right lane ends. Left lane ends. Road narrows. Two-way traffic. Divided highway begins. Divided highway ends. Dead end. No outlet. Bicycle crossing. Bicycle route. Winding road. Right. Winding road. Left. Steep grade. Pedestrians permitted. Low clearance. Falling rocks. Animal crossing. No bicycles. No trucks. No pedestrians crossing. Right turn only. Left turn only. Straight through only. No U or left turn. No straight through. Truck rollover warning. Crossroad. Side road, right. Side road, left. T intersection. Y intersection. Roundabout. Offset side roads. Traffic light ahead. Speed limit ahead. Bump. Dip. Speed advisory. Weight limit. Bus station. Truck route. HOV lane. Emergency vehicle. Flagger ahead. Roadwork ahead. Detour. Lane closed ahead. Shoulder work. Uneven lanes. Rough road. End road work. Parking prohibited during certain hours. Time-limited parking. Tow-away zone. No standing anytime. No stopping anytime. Narrow bridge. Speed hump. Maximum speed limit. Slow-moving vehicle. Exit only. Rest area. Hospital. Airport. Gas, fuel station. Food sign. Lodging. Truck parking. Train station. Chevron. Handicapped. Bicycle and pedestrians. Golf cart. Thanks for joining us on this road sign journey. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable driving tips and quizzes. Got a question or want to test your knowledge further? Drop a comment below. Until next time, drive safe and stay alert.